Hello everyone, you must have seen the topic of my today's video. It is self-regulation. Okay, so have you seen the regulator of a fan? Why it is used? It is used to adjust the speed of the fan according to our need, according to the weather outside, है ना. हम वेदर के हिसाब से अपने फैन की स्पीड को कम या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेगुलेटर. ओके, सो इट मीन्स रेगुलेटर का काम है आपके फैन की स्पीड को एडजस्ट करना अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड. ठीक है, सो इन द सेम वे वी एज अ ह्यूमन ऑल्सो नीड टू एडजस्ट, ऑल्सो नीड टू रेगुलेट आवर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. Okay, so to understand the meaning of self-regulation, we need to know the meaning of self first. ठीक है, हम सेल्फ रेगुलेशन को समझने से पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम सेल्फ किसको कहते हैं. सो सेल्फ इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स of your body. Okay, so the first component is your emotions. Okay, and the second is your thoughts. Third is your energy states. Okay, and the fourth is your behavior. Okay, when all these combine they make a self, जिसको कि आप आई कहते हैं. आई कह के आप अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. आई एम पूजा एंड ओके, इन दिस वे आप अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. सो ये जो आई है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ सेल्फ एंड दिस सेल्फ इज मेड अप ऑफ दीज डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स जो मैंने अभी आपको बताए हैं. Now we can easily understand the meaning of self-regulation. It is the ability to monitor and manage your thoughts, your behaviors, your emotions and your energy states in such a way that are acceptable by others and produce positive results for you. Okay, so ये सेल्फ रेगुलेशन एक ऐसी एबिलिटी है जिसकी हेल्प से आप अपने थॉट्स को, अपने बिहेवियर को, अपने इमोशंस को और अपने एनर्जी स्टेट्स को इस तरह से मैनेज करते हो कि वो दूसरों के द्वारा एक्सेप्टेबल होता है. मतलब आपके फैमिली, आपकी सोसाइटी के द्वारा एक्सेप्टेबल होता है और आपके लिए पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस करता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ रेगुलेशन. So the people having poor self-regulation skills, they may have a lack of self-confidence and self-esteem and have trouble in handling the stress and frustration of their life. So in the basic term, self-regulation allow us to bounce back from the failure and also allow us to stay calm under pressure. Self-regulation is very much important for all of us as it helps us how to deal with stressors. Stressors means some situation, some incident which produce stress for ourselves. Okay, for example, if a student is scoring 100% in his pre-boards and could not score 100% in boards. Okay, so this situation may be very hard for the student. Okay, he may feel stressed, worried, sad for the incident happened with him. Okay, and we all have heard about such type of news where the student took some unnecessary steps. Okay, so at that time self-regulation coping strategies can help to cope up with these type of situation. Self-regulation can be helpful when we experience strong emotion. Strong emotions means anger, stress, worry and lack of concentration. These strong emotions are mostly activated from adolescent age. Okay, adolescent age में हमें छोटी छोटी बातों पे गुस्सा आता है, चिड़चिड़ापन. Okay, so if in this time if we learn to practice self-regulation strategies, then it will help us throughout our life. To learn these self-regulation coping strategies, don't forget to watch my next video. In this video, I will share some coping strategies, self-regulation coping strategies, and how to practice it in our daily life. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.